part 4 of my fail video. Oh yeah, there we go. That's going on my next fail video. I think I got him.
So this will be hard, but it'll be fun. I'm gonna hate this. Does everyone understand? Does anyone have any questions? No.
What happened to...
What's your revenge kill?
Oh, nigga, you call me...
Alright, who shot me in the back? Yeah, I'm dead. Revenge is best served with a knife. Did I shoot in the dick earlier?
Yeah, bro.
Alright, I am sorry.
Straight in the dick, bro.
Well,
I died for like 5 minutes.
oh, I know nothing's gonna heal the pain of that, but
Yeah.
I'm apologize.
It's fine.
Kobe! Hugs. Sweaty hugs. Sweaty Milsom hugs. Get him, get him, get him. Oh, snap. Oh, whoa, whoa. Hold on, hold on. What the hell? Fail video. Just kidding. Focus on safety. What the hell?
Other people ready? What? What?
I think he called you a cracker.
You call me a cracker?
Well, me and Colby.
I forgot mine.
You broke a $400 pistol. No,
It's a pistol mag, but
yeah, I mean, you can literally get those for like $40. It's nothing. Oh yeah.
it just blows up right then.
Just like literally, just like it just. Dude, this is great.
Squad!
Squad! Hey,
Again?
That's a useful piece.
Yeah. I'll set that leak out. Game's over, dude.
Ready to touch some children.
That's not messed up. I gotta watch this. Oh, no, let him fall over.
No, wait, breathe. That helps. Thank you.
You made it worse. Alright, we can settle this.
Ow, my boob!
That pissed me off. That's not. I don't like you. No, you.
To make your. I got scared. I soiled my panties.
Hey, bagel for Colby, come over here. Oh, reloading. Cover me, I'm reloading. Shoot me between the cracks. Hit. Wow. That was a hell of a shot. Only my finger was sticking out.